everyone, this is just a quick tutorial today on a particular little thing that you might not be ready for yet, but maybe one day you will be, so check it out. This little tutorial is just going to go through how you might do a screencast from your iPad. So let's say you want to just explain a little concept to your students, you want to make a little video of it, and then you can put it up on the web, on iTunes, or on YouTube so your students can access it. So it's really simple. There's a number of programs that do this. Let me just show you one really quickly. It's called Explain Everything. So when you open the app, I've already got one little project already going in here, but you can create a new one just by tapping on the little cross in the corner there. You've got different color schemes you can go with. So this is the green background one. You can change the background. So basically on this little app, you can press record down the bottom and you can then write. And you can talk at the same time and it will record your voice like I'm doing right now. So if I click on record down here, you see the timer starts running down there in the bottom, and then I can choose the pen and I can start writing on here. Okay, it's recording my voice at the same time. I can go to a number of different slides. So I can of course erase that easily. I've got just a number of different tools over here. Okay, so here's a new page. So this up here is the new page. So I can write on this one. Second page, if I want to, I can move that around the screen. I can click on this and it gives me a new page. I can then go back. One of the things we need to know, obviously, is that the recording that we're doing only attaches itself to each page. Okay, so if you go back and forward, you can add to the original recording. Now, while you're on a page, what you can do is you can export the image when you've finished it to all these different places here, if that's just an image that you want, or even better, once you're finished, let me just stop the recording now. You can export this to your movie to a number of different places. So you can put it on your camera roll on your iPad, you can export it straight to YouTube or a lot of other different places. So if you have a Dropbox account, if you have Evernote, if you have Google Drive, or you can put it straight to your H drive down here in WebDAV. Okay, so this is I'm connected to my H drive, so I can now send this recording to my documents if I want to. Very simple. You can import photos into here. There's all kinds of things that you can do. So if we just click out of there and let's have a look. I'll go back to, let's save this project. So I'm going to click on yes. I'll just call this test. Click on save and there's my project over there. So it's a really, really simple way of getting some content, getting some ideas, getting some examples, anything that you can think of doing, and you can get it onto YouTube really, really easily. We're going to create a school YouTube account, so if you know the address and the password, you could upload this to YouTube. You could get the link from there, make the video only available to people who have the link, and share it with your class. So that's just one little thing that you could do with a program called Explain Everything. Here's another option for doing screencasts. It's called Doceri. The good thing about Doceri is what I see on my iPad screen is a lot of different tools here, but what you actually get is just a simple canvas. So I have a lot of tools going on here that I can use to write, and it'll record my voice at the same time if I want it to. The number of tools in here, there's a little bit more than the other one. There's some highlighting tools, there's some arrow tools, and there is some shape tools, as well as the usual one where you get to erase. Okay, so the number of tools in here is a little bit better. You can get in images really quickly and easy. You can take a photo or import an image from somewhere else. That's really simple. Change the background color. That's again really simple. And so I can be recording while I do all this and basically just write whatever I want. Then when I've stopped recording, it gives me an option of where I want to save it, and of course one of the options is to save it straight to YouTube. So I could go to YouTube, Facebook, I can put it on my camera roll. They're the different options from here. So kind of similar to the explain everything. Here's the third program that you could use. It's called Show Me. Really simple interface. You can see all the tools that I can see at the top. So this over here up the top just gives you the different pen colors when you present. So you can see we have lots of different pen colors. We have an eraser tool over here. This one here just deletes everything on the page. And this one here, I can take a photo, search images on the web, or I can choose a photo that's already in my file. So I can easily go to the pictures that are on my camera roll. Say choose this photo here, and now I've got a photo in there. Rotate it, delete it, done. Okay, so I can move this image around. I can draw over the top of it, all kinds of things. So it's a pretty simple program. I can get rid of that toolbar at the top if I want to. From this image now, I can write on top of it. Very simple. I'll hit record. Type some text. Different colours. I'll click on save now. It's 11 seconds long. I'll hit record. Type some text. Colours. Give it a name. And I'll call this, let's give it math or anything else. Done, adding topics. So you need an account, so you can log on with your Facebook account, but you can then deal with that video also. So this is your third.